Caloundra Beachfest is this weekend. It's an event I look forward to every year, and we're taking the trusty Crown wagon. I hope to also get at the Daihatsu, and we may or may not get Kevo on the road too, but it's currently undergoing a few changes since we were at Junga Bunga No Prep. The Crown has needed some window tint for a very, very long time. So we've got the rest of the windows done when we had the car built, but the rear window, I never worried about it. And when you're sitting in the back seat here and the car comes up behind you, it's a pain in the ass. So I got Ethan from Blacked Out Window Tinting down with us today to tint the back window. And we've also got to give the car a bit of a wash. And now is the perfect time to announce a new sponsor to the channel, which is Geon. I'm super excited about this, and it just came at a perfect time. They've sent us a bit of a care package. I've got this little package here, which is kind of like a, I don't know, hold it in your car, keep the little lunchbox in the back. We've got some quick detailers and window cleaner and a couple of microfibers and mitts. And we've also got this big show bag here, which is full of, I haven't even looked in here yet, but I'm really excited about it. If you haven't seen Geon around recently, they're a top quality product, and they're kind of, I suppose, new to Australia anyway. They're expanding, and they've reached out and they want to work together, and I'm super excited about this partnership. It works so good, and we need to give the Crown a much needed detail because it's covered in schmutz. It's very, very filthy. So is the Daihatsu. The Daihatsu is covered in dust. It's been sitting in here without a car cover on it, so it's covered in a whole lot of dust. So first things first, I'm gonna let Ethan do his thing. We're gonna get that rear screen off and get it tinted, and then we'll back the car out to wash it. It is raining, which is a bit of a bummer, but I need to give the car a wash anyway. Full disclosure, I'm actually not entered into Beachfest as an entrant. The event runs from like Wednesday to Sunday. I can't make it Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Tonight is a Friday, and it's a huge cruise in the main street of Caloundra. There's something like expected to be like 500 cars out, which is, I'm so excited. So we'll give the Crown the Geon treatment first, and then we'll head down for a hot lap with the family. Oh, kill it with fire. A little bit of water actually, isn't it?
Yeah, hot water.
Steam gun. Dude, I thought that was going to be a mission.
No, it's coming off pretty easily.
How are you, brother? Tell us a bit about yourself. Blacked Out Window Tinting. You've done Kevo. Kevo turned out amazing.
Yeah. Yeah, well, name's Ethan, the owner of Blacked Out Window Tint. It's been exactly 1 year since it's all been running. Yeah, that's about it.
Sweet.
Not much about me.
You'll do any cars,
Any
machinery,
cars,
yep.
Yeah. New, old, big, small machineries, tractors, trucks, you name it.
All right, and how far do you travel on the coast?
Probably from Gympie to Maroochydore, I'd say.
Sweet.
Yeah.
All right. Well, thanks for coming out, mate. It's just been one of those jobs I've wanted to get done ever since I had it on the road, man. So,
much needed, eh?
oh man, when you're sitting in this back seat and a four-wheel drive pulls up behind you. All right, sweet. Well, I'll film the process, and I don't get blinded by. I won't get blinded by your D-Max when you pull up behind me.
Yeah. Okay.
Why the heat gun on the outside like that? What's going on there?
Just to get to the shape of the window.
Oh yeah.
And then we'll cut the size and slap it inside.
As per usual, you pull an interior piece off and it snaps in half. So we've got the old quick glue going on. Glue some clips back on. One out of the four was still alive.
We've got all the stuff in here.
Look at him sussing it out already.
Hey? Well, why wouldn't you? Car care product.
I don't even know what we've got in there, man. I couldn't tell you.
That's good. Tyre cleaner.
What are these? What's this? Smoothie.
Efficient tyre cleaner.
Silk dryer. Wheel mitt, sick.
Pine wheel cleaner.
Man, wait till we've got a full stand of it, like over the back here, of like everything. And ceramic coatings and everything.
You know what this means? We'll have no excuses for dirty cars. Everything's got to be tip top.
So ammonia to get the old glue off?
Yep.
All right.
Yeah, dissolve it. It's in Windex.
Yep.
Don't drink it. It's not good for you. That's for sure.
And then what's this pink stuff you got there? Is that glass cleaner?
So that's the ammonia.
Oh, okay.
That's the tinkler remover.
Yep.
But yeah.
And then when do you use glass cleaner?
I'll be using that one on the outside.
All right, sweet. Oh, dude, that completely transforms a car. I don't know why I didn't do that so much earlier. Where have you been all my life, Ethan?
Smells good.
Does smell good, eh? Fresh window tint. Now it's time to wash it because it's filthy. Oh, someone's doing skids. Now Geordie's already teasing me about my car wash bucket, but wait till the end because how much of this stuff do I use? 20 to 30 mil and 10 to 15 litre bucket. Wait till the end and I will show you why it is the best car wash bucket you'll ever use. You bastard! Cheeky bastard. I want to upgrade, but here is why. This is the best bucket in the world. Because you can clean the mint after. Oh.
You're a bloody genius.
Is that smart? It's good, isn't it? I love that.
You got me sold there.
Never used this, so let's see how it goes. That wet look stuff is gangster. This car's never been coated ever. Never had a buff, never been detailed or nothing. And now it's got this like full hydrophobic speeding off. That's awesome. Giving the wagon a quick little wash. I did want to give it a full detail. This has never been ceramic coated or buffed since it's been painted. It's literally just been washed a bunch of times. First impression of the Geon stuff, really happy with it. It's going to piss down with rain tonight, so just giving it a quick tub, and I'm keen to go see Michi, Sunny Coast Auto Detailing, and we'll do a full, I want to do a full detail on all my cars, wagon, Daihatsu, Kevo, and the rest of them, some of them you don't know about. So let's jump in the car, go down to meet at a car park, hopefully see some crew, and then cruise on down to Caloundra. camera on the rear of that. That's cool as, man. I like that. That's sick. Sick as, bro. Oh, look at that. Say wagon, bro. Holy shit. It's tough, hey? Damn. This is only early too, man. This is gonna be pumping later on. Oh, look at the XW. Dude, so many tuffies. Oh, LC. Oh, yeah. I'm keen to park up and just have a look, man. Gonna have a watch some of these cars. Yeah, I reckon I like it. This is the main street in Caloundra. It's Bulcock Street, and this is going to be packed all night tonight. I'm so keen for this. We've got a bit of a VIP spot just to get a few shots of the cars, and then we'll go for a hot lap later and get some dinner. But for now, enjoy the raw sounds of Bulcock Street at Beachfest. Bueno! He's a fellow Barra patron. Hey! Hey! Tuffy. Oh, Rowdy, love to play. MS55 love. Sick. Ah, that's beautiful. How's the FJ? Oh. Ah, how's the colour of that? Hey! Love Mark's car. Nice hatch. Really nice hatch. A bit of technical difficulties, so not a bummer. Just gonna stop and appreciate the Impala. Man, the lads, the amount of work they put into all the chrome work on these things is insane, and I hope to do a bit of feature on some of these cars one day, because I really appreciate it, man. So good. All the engraving and the headlights and shit, man. Look at that.
Oh mate, slipping the car park here, but
Oh, look at that Crown wagon. How's the colour on that? Sick. I like that. That's cool. There's the banger. Sick. Uncle Russell! Hey! I thought you were scared of the rain!
We got about 1 hour. We're going to dig down and on counter.
Yeah, Uncle Russell. And you got the headlight ducts. Sick. Yeah, lads, nice car. That's nice. street car test for how hot's your transmission, how hot's the coolant. It's actually a nice night tonight anyway, but the Crown's sitting on 84 degrees. So I got the GoPro, hang on. Nice 84 on both engine and transmission, so we're sorted. I still need to update my dash actually, the new NSP. I want to do a customization. Might put the Crown or something. Maybe I can put Al's face here with use your brain or something.
No, we should. Hey, you do one first.
You want to hope it doesn't rain. Sick wagon, bro. Did I touch it or not? I didn't touch it, eh?
I don't know, man.
I swear I was so close. We went past a parked car with its wheel out. I thought I touched it. If anything, it'd be the front wheel because it pokes out the most. Nah, there's nothing on that.
I think you're safe, buddy.
No. Alright. Just detoured past the Golden Arches because they're picking up the beautiful Zoe in the comfy Crown. This is actually cool enough to cruise the streets anyway, I reckon. What, you don't reckon?
No, it is.
Come on.
It's tonight, the
Hang
night
on,
for it, I don't know.
what cool cars do you own now, brother?
Come on, mate.
Nothing. Little bit of 32 GDR. Looks good in this light because you can't see the paint fade. 32 GDR wheels. I think they suit it. I actually like them. They've grown on me and I like them. Geordie hates them. Picked up a couple of hitchhikers over here.
Huh?
You know how much it costs to ride back there, mate?
No.
$10 each. Hey, Cameron! Hey, John. Hey, Sandy. Hey, Ross. Oh, what? Yeah, the L plates. Sick Cooper. Bro,
Then the orange cool car's coming soon.
the orange cool car.
Yeah, here it is, here it is, here it is.
Go on, get it. Nice. You reckon that's a thumbnail photo?
Could be. Did he get the car in the shop?
I think so. Alright, my favourite car of the night. This thing's sick. Yeah, I like that. That's a sick colour. Sick. What up at the KBT for a bit of dinner, eh? It's officially like day 5 or something of Beachfest, but we missed the Saturday. It was a bit wet for my liking. The Crown's a wet weather car, but I don't love getting the Daihatsu out. I don't even like washing this thing because it's been dry for so long. So we're taking the 2-stroke banger down to Caloundra. What do you reckon about the highway? I mean, what's the top speed? We're going to 100 down a hill. We'll be right. Yeah?
Hit the highway.
We'll take it on the Brucey.
Yeah, we've got heaps of lanes, man. They can go around us. Most cars have got brakes too, so.
I love this car, it's so good. We just gave it a quick little wash at home. Just a nice little wash down, dry it off. And now, yeah, we're heading down to It's on the Esplanade today, not the main street. Yesterday was like the full main street on Bulcock. So yeah, today's just the Esplanade. There's actually markets on today anyway. But step it in. Still a bit cold, doesn't love it. All right, let's hit the highway. There's already a bunch of tuffies leaving, so I think we might be a little bit late, but I know there's still some cars down there. I'm just going to try and get a sneaky spot in around the back. This is cool. Evil HG, is it? Yeah, it is. It's built by KV, I'm pretty sure. It's freaking awesome, this thing. Make some good power. Hey, John, how are you, mate? This is nice, eh?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Is your car here?
Yeah,
Oh, yeah, wicked. Nice one.
I'll just say the other fella, it's got to be making 1,000 horsepower.
I think it does make over 1,000. This would look nice in your engine bay, John.
Oh, wouldn't it what?
Yeah. Man, this thing is beautiful. You never see Landaus, and I am a fan. This thing's tidy as. This is Beachfest in a nutshell. Surfboards on the roof. Love that. I love that sign. That's so good. The hardest thing's trying to get shots of the cars. Check out this Woody. This thing's so good. Supercharged Chev by the looks. Look at the detail on it. Sick. There's heaps of Tories out this weekend too. Seen heaps of hatches. Pro Charger on the side of it. Is that a bit of you, Westy?
Oh, dude. Look, I'm a Ford guy down low, man, but I love triples on a real motor,
I love a big cam six banger. I like that, eh?
Yeah, that's cool.
That'd sound real good, I reckon.
Yeah, I'd be mad. Awesome.
Check out the bus. I don't even know what this thing is. Oh, it's a Bedford. That's epic. This thing's parked here every year, actually. You don't get to see an E-Type every day. They're a weird looking car.
Been voted apparently the most beautiful car ever made.
Voted the most beautiful car ever made?
Voted the most beautiful car ever made.
I don't know about that. I prefer a Toyota Crown, I reckon.
A long time ago. Yeah, no, I'm with you, bro.
It's got the LS with the Holden dress-up kit. You could fool anyone with that, eh? Another one of my favourites, Pro GTS. This thing is immaculate. The big block in disguise with it's like injection kind of disguised as like Hillborn injection. It's freaking tidy. Very, very well done car. One of my favourites here at Beachfest for sure. Who stole whose design of the hardtop? They're so similar, hey? That's a quick walk of the street. The Esplanade on the Sunday, super busy. There's so many people down here. And it's now just fallen 12 o'clock, so all the cars are now going to drive out. So I'll try to get a few shots of them driving out. There's some toughies around. love nothing more than getting out of my cars for a hot lap, and Caloundra Beachfest is the perfect event for that. Again, I wasn't an entrant, and I'm kind of kicking myself that I wasn't to not have this thing parked up in the show and shine. Just cutting a little hot lap then, it gets so much attention, and old mate just walked past then and said it's the best car he's seen all weekend. So I'll take that. We're pulled up at Moffat Beach. If you're familiar with the coast, this is a beautiful spot, and Caloundra is an awesome part of the Sunshine Coast. Hats off to all the organisers putting that event on. It runs from like Wednesday to Sunday. Yeah, the weather put a bit of a dampening on things, but at the end of the day, it was an awesome event, and thank you for putting on an awesome event. Thank you Sunshine Coast Council for allowing this kind of stuff to happen. I love this little Daihatsu. It's so good to get it out. I don't get it out as much as I should, and I've just been speaking to Westy. I think we might have to do a bit of a, I don't know, maybe some carby tweaks, maybe put a little expansion chamber on it or something like that. Make a bit more power because it is lacking just that little bit. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of The Skid Factory. I want to say drive safe, but I also want to say get out there and drive your cars. Take advantage of them and enjoy the moment. We've got some pretty cool content coming up in the future weeks. The Supra build, which has been in the background, is finally happening. Thanks once again to Geon for coming on board as an official sponsor of the show, and we'll see you next time. Cheers, homies.